Okay, so the collisions question, Applied Maths 2020-22, released today. So first one seems reasonably okay, except they've dragged in kinetic energy, which is a bit unusual, but let's have a look at it. Smooth sphere, so two spheres plonking into each other, the usual story. Let's have a look. 3u, 1u, 2m. That's probably 1m, is it? Minus m, yeah, the usual story. Okay, and coefficient of restitution is e. Find in terms of the speed of each sphere after the collision. Okay, grand. So, Pockham. So momentum afterwards. Well, look, momentum before. Okay, is equal to 2m 3u minus mu. Okay, so we're taking the positive direction that way. Is equal to 2m v1 plus m v2. We don't know which direction they're going to plonk against each other, so let's just do it. So now then, Nelly, let's see what Nelly's up to. So it's v1 minus v2 is equal to minus e u1 minus u2. So let's just make sure we keep the numbers correct. So this is, we're calling that guy 1 and that guy 2, is it? Yeah. 2m, yeah, okay. So v1 minus v2, yeah, so that just stays that way. Is equal to that minus e u1 minus u, so that. Okay, so that gives you v1 minus v2 is equal to minus 4ue. And up here we get 2, we'll cancel the m's, the usual cancellation. So v1, 2v1 plus v2 is equal to, okay, so cancelling the m's, you get 6u minus 1u, which is 5u. Add those lads, you get 3v1 is equal to u into 5 minus 4e, yeah? Okay, so v1 is equal to u over 3, 5 minus 4e. So if there was perfect restitution, then that would be 1, e would be 1. So they bounced off each other, and it would be u over 3. Okay, so v2 then, if you subtract those lads, you get minus 2v2. And I'll just substitute one in for the other. So v2 is equal to v1 plus 4ue. So v2 is equal to 5 minus 4e plus 4ue, yeah? Ue? Yeah, okay. So it's equal to 5u over 3 minus 4 eu over 3 plus 12 eu over 3. So it's equal to u into 5. Let's call it, yeah, bring out u over 3, so it's into 5. Now it's 12 eu, so it's 8 eu over 3. So it's minus 8 eu. So V2 is that lad. Okay, speed of each sphere after collision, that's grand. Magnitude of the impulse part of the B. So impulse to B is equal to momentum of B. So mv2 minus mu. So yeah, okay, keeping that in terms of, okay, so we don't know direction yet. Okay, so it's equal to m into, so we're subtracting u from that, from all of that. So m into u over 3, that fraction, minus a to u minus 1u. So let's call it 3. So find in terms of u and e. So the impulse imparted to B due to the collision in terms of u and e. So m into mu over 3. Okay, so speed of each firm imparted to B. So the impulse, yeah, so the momentum afterwards minus momentum before. Okay, so we're taking u over 3 out, and we get this lad minus that lad. So we get 5 minus 8 EU minus 3. Mu over 3 into 2 minus 8 EU. Hang on a second. This should not have a U in it. EU, so we're taking out U over 3. Yeah, so it should be 8E. Yeah, V1 is correct, yeah. So 8E, that should not have a U in it. Okay, so 8E. So 8E. Okay, so the impulse due to B is that. Okay. Great. Now, loss of kinetic energy due to the collision is this lad. Find the value of K. So, loss of kinetic energy, EK loss, is equal to KMU squared to 1 minus E squared. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so, okay, kinetic energy before is equal to half 2m half 2m by the square of the velocity, so 9u squared. Yeah, so the kinetic energy that it has would be equal to the other guy, half m, and what is it, u squared, k afterwards is equal to a half m, half 2m, so v1, which is, okay, so that's squared, u squared over 9, v1, 5 minus 4e squared, plus half squared over 9 into 5 minus 8e squared. Okay, so subtract the 2 and you get delta ke is equal to that minus all this, lads. Before is equal to okay, half mu squared, and this guy is equal to 9 mu squared, is it? Yeah, so 9 mu squared plus half mu squared, so it's equal to 19 over 2 mu squared is what you start off with. What you end up at the end. Okay, let's take out mu squared over 9. Let's take out mu squared over 2 by 9. And what do we get? We get 2 times that. Well, can we take out that one? Probably not. No. So 2 times this guy, 5 minus 4e squared, plus taking out half mu squared over 9, 5 minus 8e squared. Can't do difference of both squares or anything like that, so it's a little bit awkward. Okay, so that's 25, 50, okay, minus 20 minus 40e minus 80e plus 14e squared plus 25 minus 80e, is it? Yep. So minus 80e plus 64e squared. Hopefully you get a bit of cancellation. So where are we getting cancellation? We're getting 75. The 80e cancels plus 80 e squared. So mu squared over 2 by 9. Okay, so we started out with that guy, and we have to subtract the 2. Let's see what we get. Bit fiddly, this one. A lot of calculations. Fair bit to calculate on it. Easy enough to get lost, I'd say, in that. But let's fiddle it out. So, okay, so the delta K, let's do it up here, is equal to 19 over 2 mu squared minus what's that? Mu squared over 2 by 9 into 80e squared plus 75. And what's it look like? 1 minus e squared, yeah. So okay, so it's equal to, okay, well, mu squared is going to have to come out over 2, and we get 19 minus 8e over 9 e squared minus 75 over 9. That smells like a mistake there, but somewhere in the calculations. But let's plow on. Okay, let's take out another factor. of 9, let's say. So mu squared, where is it? Okay, mu squared, yeah, so let's say 9 over 2. Oh yeah, so mu squared, so mu squared over 2 by 9. So that'll give us our factor. So we're just going to take out a 9 there. And we get this. Okay, so 19 by 9. Let's save. I could smell a bit of a mistake there somewhere. So, but let's plow on. 171 minus 75 minus 80 e squared. So it's equal to mu squared over 2 by 9 into 96, is it? 96 minus 80 e squared. Now they want us in terms of 1 minus e squared. Okay, so they wanted 1 minus e squared there, so that would have to be, they would have to be factorizable, so that is a mistake there somewhere. So it'd have to be in that kind of form, 1 minus e squared, and bring it out 90 or something like that. 2 by 9, so bring it out at 90 or something like that. There's something missing there. But look, I've got the general method, but there's something, somewhere lies in here an error that has led to this. Crushing it in has probably been my downfall, but that will give you a factor there. So like, say if that was 90 minus that would be the 90, and your k would be equal to 90 over 2 by 9, so probably k of 5. I'm guessing it's probably k of 5 or something like that. All right. Method is okay, but I've screwed up somewhere along the way. That is a tricky question, I would thought.